Hi guys, we're about 4 days away from Samsung's next Unpacked event where they're gonna launch the Galaxy S22 series. We recently went over the S22 Ultra, so in this video we're gonna go over every detail about the base S22, and in the next video we're gonna cover the S22 Plus, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't so you don't miss it, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Galaxy S22 series is Samsung's next flagship devices, and the S22 Ultra has been getting most of the love and attention, but in this video we're gonna focus on the smallest variant, the base S22. It's gonna be the successor to the S21 and will take up 20% of the entire S22 series production, but it has some downgrades and some upgrades compared to the S21. First off, it's gonna have an LTPO display just like the S22 Ultra, and we can expect it to be the second generation LTPO technology that allows for refresh rates as low as 1 Hz. The display is gonna have a peak brightness of 1500 nits, but it's gonna have a 1080p resolution just like the S21, and it's also gonna be smaller than the S21 at 6-inch diagonal. That is gonna make for a more compact device, but it's also gonna mean a smaller battery. The battery capacity is gonna be 3700 mAh compared to 4000 on the S21, so it should have about the same battery performance as the S21 with the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the new LTPO display. It's gonna have a 10 megapixel selfie camera on the front, and on the back it's gonna have a new 50 megapixel main sensor alongside a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The triple camera layout will be housed in a similar counter-cut camera design like the S21, so it's gonna be a beautiful device just like the S21, albeit with a thicker frame and flat edges on the front and back. So Samsung is ditching the curved back design on the S22 in favor of a flat back just like the S6 from 2015. It also kinda looks like the iPhone 13 design. The S22 is going to ship with 8GB of RAM for all variants and will have 128 and 256GB storage options. The device is going to support 25-watt fast wired charging, but the charging brick is not going to be included in the box. It's also going to support 15-watt wireless charging and will be available in 4 color options: black, white, green, and pink gold. Now, despite the improvements over the S21, it's still going to have the same starting price as the S21. So in Europe, it's gonna start at €849, and in the US, it's gonna start at $799. The device is gonna be revealed on the 9th of February, and pre-orders start immediately after the event, but it's not gonna be available until the 11th of March. Samsung pushed back the release date from the 25th of February to the 11th of March due to some supply chain issues. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.